Your Honda CR-V key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, typically lasting 1–2 years. Replacing it is straightforward and saves money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Gently pry open the fob casing, usually at a designated seam. Note the positive side of the old battery before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the correct direction. Snap the fob casing back together securely. Test the fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your car. If it doesn't work, a trip to the dealer might be needed for reprogramming, although this is rare. Avoid touching the battery terminals to prevent static discharge, which can shorten battery life. Always use a CR2032 battery for your Honda CR-V key fob. Using incorrect sizes can cause malfunction. High-quality or genuine batteries are recommended to prevent corrosion and ensure longer fob life. While DIY replacement is generally successful, some models may require dealer reprogramming if pairing errors occur. Keep an eye out for signs of low battery, such as decreased range or intermittent function. Looking ahead, Honda is exploring digital key sharing via smartphone apps and NFC, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Battery-free fobs using kinetic energy are also emerging trends for increased sustainability and convenience. Rechargeable lithium polymer batteries and cybersecurity concerns with signal jamming are also future considerations.